What's happening, everybody? Kelly here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a delicious recipe for a creamy Bolognese sauce. So traditionally, this would be served with penne, but you can use any type of pasta that you whatever you like. So without further delay, let's get into the ingredients. So here's what we got for ingredients. So we have some diced tomatoes, white and red onion, celery, carrot, beef broth, red wine, tomato paste, some Italian seasoning, bay leaves, garlic, of course, cream, some cheese, Parmesan, of course, some ground beef, and some Italian sausages. I'll include the complete description, the complete recipe in the description.